Why is everybody so quiet today? Maybe Mommy is making breakfast. It feels different this morning. Nobody is here. Good morning, Elara. Please get ready for today. Love, Mommy. What is special about today?
She still does not remember her birthday.
This surprise party will make her so happy.
Maybe today will be fun. I really like this outfit. You look handsome today, Sunny. Good morning, Elara. Oh, are you hiding something? I almost said the birthday, nothing. Wait, today is my birthday? Oops. Mommy said I should not tell you. I forgot my own birthday.
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Thank you, Mommy.
Birthday breakfast is ready for our special girl. Wow.
These pancakes look beautiful.
This already feels like the best birthday.
Sunny wants birthday breakfast too.
Make a birthday wish, sweetheart.
I hope today becomes a happy memory forever. Yay! My wish is secret.
We still have time before the party.
Why are you both whispering?
We were only talking about breakfast.
I think today will become very special.
Get ready, sweetheart. We are going somewhere fun today.
Where are we going, Mommy?
It is a birthday surprise.
I love birthday surprises.
Everything is going perfectly.
The weather is beautiful today.
Birthday girls sit in the special seat today.
I wonder where we are going.
We are almost there. Everything feels so happy today.
Mommy, look at all those balloons.
Maybe somebody is having a party today.
Do you think somebody planned a birthday party for me?
You will see very soon.
Something amazing is happening here.
Are you ready, birthday girl?
I think so. This place looks beautiful.
Close your eyes for one moment, sweetheart.
Okay, my eyes are closed. Now, open your eyes. This party is for me? Happy birthday, Elara! Mia! You came!
I would never miss your birthday.
Everything looks so beautiful. That cake is huge! Oops, the cake attacked me. This is the happiest birthday ever. I feel so loved today.
Every candle shines for another beautiful year of your life. Thank you for making me feel special.
I wish my family stays this happy forever. I did it! Best birthday wish ever!
The first slice goes to the birthday girl.
This cake tastes amazing! Can my slice be bigger than my face?
Liam always says funny things.
I picked this gift only for you. It is so pretty! One bracelet is for you, and one is for me. This is the sweetest gift ever! This party is so much fun! The room is spinning!
Liam looks so funny.
Okay, Liam. Now swing carefully. Candy is everywhere!
Today feels like a dream.
Are you having a good birthday, sweetheart?
This is the best birthday I ever had.
You deserve every happy moment today.
She looks so happy.
Everybody smile!
I want to remember this forever.
Who gave me this gift? We love you more every single year. Thank you for loving me so much.
Happy tears are beautiful too, sweetheart. Now we can always match together.
Today felt like magic. I will remember this birthday forever. Thank you for watching Elara Daily English. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you again soon.